Telling us we're going to be spared, but preparations are underway tonight in the Columbus area for the potential treacherous weather.
WLKY's Andy Alcock was in Bartholomew County today. He joins us live now in the newsroom with a look at what's being done to get ready for the ice that may hit that area. Andy?
Vicki and Rick, Columbus is right on the line of ice and rain predictions. This morning, the local Emergency Management Advisory Council met to get ready. Today, it was smooth sailing for Columbus traffic by the I-65 suspension bridge. And leaders are now waiting in suspense of what could be a potentially nasty ice storm.
I'll take a foot of snow any day. We know that we can handle that. It's just messy for a day or two.
But the type of ice and high winds predicted for the area could bring down trees and power lines.
We're anticipating really widespread, long-range power outages.
With the possibility of ice in Columbus, the Bartholomew Highway Department is running low on salt. They are getting sand ready just in case. Today, a front loader was piling up the sand for possible use on 700 miles of county roads.
On ice, it won't be too bad. At least I'll have some traction. But if we have some snow, I mean, you still get traction, but it won't melt it as fast as you would have if you had some salt mixed with it.
As the storm is brewing, plow and brine trucks sit idle.
If it turns to rain, you don't want to put too much material down, then you're just wasting it, and you don't want to do anything pre-treating either in case it's rain first. So we're just kind of holding off on that.
Meanwhile, the discussion at the Bartholomew County Emergency Management Advisory Council is about adding additional staffing hours to respond to what could be a significant increase in 911 calls in the next couple of days.
We were trying to get done as much this morning as humanly possible from a public safety issue.
We're told Bartholomew County schools administrators have not made a decision yet about classes tomorrow. The major concern right now is not the morning commute, but getting the students home when the storm is expected to be at its height. Live in the newsroom, Andy Alcock, WLKY News.